Good morning, viewers. I hope all are you fine. I'm fine. Be good and be happy. Welcome to our channel, Anifa Teaching Style. In last class, we discussed the differences between heat and temperature. Now, today we will discuss about the what problems based on that topic, that is heat and temperature related problems. Very important problems. Definitely those problems will comes to the examination. So today I explain about the exam point of view, which type of problems will come on the exam question paper. So listen carefully. Understood? Let's go to our topic. We are taken two bodies, A and B. First of all, we taken these two bodies individually with another body C. A body is individually thermal equilibrium with the body C. Then after that, B body is individually thermal equilibrium with the body C. Then we can say that here A and B, both bodies will be in thermal equilibrium situation with each other. Now we are taken three bodies A, B and C. Here A body and C body are taken. When we are placed these two bodies into thermal contact, then heat transfers will occur and they reaches to the thermal equilibrium situation. Next, we are taken the body B and C. Now we place it to these two bodies also in thermal contact, then also heat will transfers and they reaches to the thermal equilibrium situation. From these observations, we can say that the body A and B are individually having in thermal equilibrium situation with each other. So totally here A is thermal equilibrium with the body C and B body is thermal equilibrium with the body C. Then we can say here A body and B body are the thermal equilibrium situation. So based on this property, we have the problems in our textbook. So in exam point of view, some problems are given. Which problems? For example, now I will explain one problem. Listen here. If A body is 30 degrees centigrade, B is 60 degrees centigrade, what is temperature at thermal equilibrium stage? So this type of problems will given in exams. So 1 mark or 2 marks problems will be given. So listen carefully. Very simply next problems, very easy to solve this under the concept of thermal equilibrium. For example, in the problem they given A body having the temperature 30 degrees centigrade, B body is 60 degrees centigrade. When we place it to these two bodies into thermal contact, According to thermal equilibrium concept, when two bodies are placed into contact, that means thermal contact, heat will transfer from higher heat energy body to lower heat energy body. That's why here heat transfers from body B to A. So this direction arrow mark shows the flow of heat energy. So here heat transfer direction will represent this arrow mark. So here heat transfers from B body to A body. So when heat transfers from B body to A body, heat B body supplies to the heat to A body. That's why B loses heat energy. Here A body gets heat energy. So B body temperature continuously goes on decreased, and here A body temperature goes on increased. At yes, at one situation both will comes to the same degree of temperature, same, that is the thermal equilibrium situation. So here B goes on decreased, A goes on increased. So here at 45 degree centigrade both bodies having the thermal equilibrium situation. Once they reaches to this 45 degree centigrade temperature, after that heat transfer does not occurs here, heat does not flows, heat does not transfers. So this is the thermal equilibrium situation. So at this stage body A and B bodies reaches thermal equilibrium situation. So this type of problems will be given in our examination. So keep remember this type of problems. Next one is next topic, heat. Heat is a form of energy. Already we know heat always flows at higher heat energy body to lower heat energy body. So here we explain the units of heat. The SI unit of heat is joule. CGS unit of heat is calorie. For 1 mark question, calorie definition will be given. 1 mark problems. So for 1 mark or 2 mark in examination, calorie definition will be given. So to remember this definition, calorie, very important. The amount of now Now we can solve this problem with another method. Listen carefully. This is very easiest method for solve this type of problems. Very important for examination point of view. This type of problems. So remember this concept in carefully. They are given A is 30 degree centigrade. A equal to 30 degree centigrade. B body having 60 degree centigrade. Next, what is the thermal equilibrium temperature? Thermal equilibrium temperature. So we don't know this temperature. We can find out this temperature. So this is unknown temperature. So that's why we can say this is X degree centigrade. According to thermal equilibrium situation, both bodies having the same degree of temperature. That means here at thermal equilibrium stage, what happened? Both are having the same degree of temperature. That's why we can say the thermal equilibrium stage, they reaches to the average temperature. X degree centigrade can equal to the average temperature of these two body's temperature, that is 30 degree centigrade plus 60 degree centigrade. Average means divided by 2. Now solve this. X degree centigrade equal to 30 degree centigrade plus 60 degree centigrade. Totally we get in 90 degree centigrade divided by 2. Solve this. X degree centigrade equal to 2. Divide this 90 degree centigrade with 2. Then we can find 45 degree centigrade. This method is very easiest for solve this type of problems. Now we are having this type of now one more example, this type of problem. Second one, in problem they given a body having 40 degree centigrade, thermal equilibrium temperature is 60 degree centigrade. Then what is the temperature of B body? Temperature of body B. So this type of problems also we can easily found on the above we explained procedure. So a thermal equilibrium temperature, thermal equilibrium temperature, both bodies are having the average temperature. That means A body temperature plus B body temperature divided by 2. This is the formula. So now replace the values. That means substitute the values which are given in the question. Thermal equilibrium temperature is 60 degree centigrade. Thermal equilibrium temperature is 60 degree centigrade and body A is 40 degree centigrade. We don't know the B body temperature by 2. Now solve this. That implies 260 jar 120 degrees centigrade equal to 40 degrees plus B. To send this 40 degrees another side of equal to, that's why you can get the value 120 degrees centigrade minus 40 degree centigrade equal to B. That implies to subtract 40 degree centigrade from 120 degree centigrade, then we can get the value 80 degree centigrade. So equal to B. Therefore B body temperature is 80 degree centigrade. So this type of problems are very easy and they comes into the examination. So remember to remember these problems. Okay, bye. We will discuss another type of problems in next video. If you like the video, please subscribe the video and touch the bell icon and like and share immediately. Don't forget, please give me the support views. Bye bye. Until see you later. Bye.